Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to sell put options on Moomoo. Firstly, navigate to your watch list and tap on the stock you're interested in. You'll be taken to its detailed quotes page. Just tap options, then chain at the top of the screen. You'll now see a list of all available options for that stock. By default, both calls and puts are shown. Tap Call, Put and select Put to view only put options. Tap on the expiration date drop-down to select your preferred date. This filters the chain by that contract expiration. Now, blue rows in the money options and white rows out of the money options. Just swipe left or right to reveal more info like open interest, volume, and implied volatility. Now, tap on the specific put contract you want to trade. Select Buy depending on your strategy. Enter number of contracts, limit market order, and time in force. And if you want to sell, just click Sell, then tap Place Order to confirm. At the bottom of the screen, tap Strategy to explore multi-leg options like protective puts, spreads, and straddles and strangles. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.